Ugcine ezigcwalisile ke izikhala eziphezulu umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa njengoba ngomsombuluko amemezela izinguquko kucabinet lakhe. Izolo ke kufungiswe amalungu aqoke ezikhundleni eziphezulu kubala nongqongqoshe wezogesi. uPaul Mashatile ufungiswe njengephini likamengameli wezwe. uMashatile ke waba yiphini likamengameli we-ANC ngozibandlela ngonyaka odlule.
I, Shipokosa Paulus Mashatile, swear that I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa and will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution and all other law of the Republic. And I solemnly, sincerely promise that I will always promote all that will advance the Republic and oppose all that may harm it. Be a true and faithful counselor, discharge my duties with all strength and talents to the best of my knowledge and ability, and true to the dictates of my conscience, do justice to all, and devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and all its people. So help me God.
Ngesikhathi kusabanje umcimbi wokufungiswa, ungqongqoshe wezogesi u-Dokotela Kgosientso Ramokgopa uthe uzogxila kakhulu ekwehliseni uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi. Uphinde waxwayisa ngokwehluleka kokubhekana nokushesha kulenkinga yogesi.
I am more than confident that we are going to resolve load shedding. I am more than confident that we are going to resolve load shedding. Of course, it's going to be daunting, like I said. We'll communicate to the public how we are addressing this situation and also share what those timelines are going into the future, and we get to be held accountable against the timelines that we have communicated.
Ukufungiswa kwalamalungu ayishumi nesithupha kulandela izinguquko ezimenyezelwe ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngomsombuluko ebusuku, nalapho kukhonjwe indlela abanye ongqongqoshe kanye namaphini abo.